If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm going to introduce you to two wallets. These are Pin It Up Patterns wallets. I am a co-designer with Pin It Up Patterns, so I'm super excited to introduce you to these two amazing wallets. So the first one we have is the David wallet. It is a standard size bifold wallet. It has a money clip in the middle here for your bills. It has 6 card slots, 3 on each side, 2 slip pockets down behind the card slots, as well as 2 more slip pockets on the outside. I just love it. It is the perfect compact size, and you can fit many cards in there that you may want, as well as bills. The other one we have is the Darrell minimalist wallet. So this is a perfect one for anyone that doesn't like to carry a larger wallet. This is a great unisex wallet as well. So it has 1, 2 card slots on the front, but you could definitely fit multiple cards in there if you wanted to. And on the top here, it has a place to put your bills or receipts or what have you. So these can be made in cork, leather, or vinyl. These two here are made in cork, which is my favorite material to make any kind of wallet out of. I just love it. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All of my information is down below. And if you're part of the bag makers community, if it's not up yet, it will be up shortly, but there is a pattern on each one of these. So look for those 2 patterns shortly. Anyways, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.